Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Google Play Store, and before that make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Of course, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you do not have to do any additional steps. If not, you have to either log in or sign in, so create the account, and after that you can simply open this circle, tap on the circle, which is your account. Then let's tap on My Apps and Games. Here we have to tap on Manage. And as you can see, here we've got installed apps, and we have to simply tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, unfortunately, we are up to date, or we can try to refresh this list. And as you can see, I've got 24 updates pending, fortunately, so I can show you how to do it. Basically, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps and update all of them. If not, just find those which you want to and mark them. So let me pick Google Chrome because I don't want to update all of those 24 apps, and maybe Google Photos. Whenever you've got the apps marked, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and right now you have to simply wait. Your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully and automatically installed and the apps will be updated. So basically you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course you can turn off the Google Play Store and do whatever you want on your device. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.